Out of the depths I cry to you, Lord. Hold near my voice, let your ears be attentive to the voice of my supplications. If you should mark iniquities, O Lord, who could stand? But with you is forgiveness, that you may be revered. My soul waits for the Lord, it waits for his word. My soul watches for the Lord, more than the sentinel for the morning. Let Israel wait for the Lord. For with the Lord there is steadfast love, and abundant redemption with him, and he'll redeem Israel from all their iniquities.